Finally, the reason why Ebubeagu take go burn people house for inside Imo State don't finally come outside. No be small thing, no. If you hear this thing, you go say that because of this thing, the people wey don't do anything come become people wey come carry the problem where another person bring come. My people, things are happening. This one, why they tell you now for Imo State to happen. Remember, say we update you last time. Say this our brother, whether they call sh0ck with him team, whether they call support the week international. They said that they must investigate and know wetin happen. Now, the reason why these people take born people out don't finally they come outside, and this is the reason. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, let's quickly jump into this matter where you know wetin dey happen for inside Imo State, because this thing, a lot of people it touch them. Some people their hearts don't go. Some people, their loved ones, they don't know where they dey again because of that thing will happen for inside him. Even Tina herself, some youth to see the disappear, pure, go see him again. But however, I want to play this video, may you watch, and before we come back and continue. If you hear the reason why, you go say, watch the video before we come back and continue.
Anyị na-aga n'ihu na-anabata ịgba ama ndị niile Ebubeagu gbara ụlọ fọkụ. Ndị Ebubeagu gburu ụmụnne ha na Ọlụ nakwa Ọkigwe, Izombe, Agwa nakwa ebe ndị ọzọ na steeti a malite n'afọ 2020 ruo 2024. And update come because the documentation is still ongoing. Now we have a written documentation. Written documentation. After this written documentation, we go for visual documentation and testimonies of Ihende Ebubeagu Melo. So far so good. We have about 80-something people, 80-something families who wunde beralano. Ụfọdụ wunde agbara ụlọ ha ọkụ, ụfọdụ wunde egburu ndị ha, ụfọdụ ụmụ nwaanyị shikpe egburu di ha, ụfọdụ ụmụ ndị egburu ụmụ ha. Like one woman egburu ụmụ ya abụọ. That should be in Agwa. Yes, egburu ụmụ ya abụọ in Agwa, bukwe dia, and others. We have a lot of them. So I got update of how the whole documentation is going, so that kandena bia documentation because at the end of the entire processes, we will now proceed to hire authorities whereby I got actual justice for these people. So far so good. So far so good. Abiani here basalo the reasons, because when we I got through these things, we are picking down some points, we are taking down some points, especially in that barrel of Oko. We have a lot of reasons, and reasons where some people's houses were burnt because at the Bonde Ebubeagu Ebubo na ha kamporo na that community, Some houses were burnt because now the community Ebubo of camping the unknown gunmen, of camping the unknown gunmen or umuama the kahasi wena ekwe. Some houses were burnt when the Ebubeagu and the DSS no na acho the unknown gunmen also. Maybe the unknown gunmen should na this community warfare now. So ndami biazia hana nde Ebubeagu na nde DSS biazia na that community nde unknown gunmen shi wafe ha bawolo hoko. These are part of the reasons, the deduced reasons from the ongoing documentation. Then another reason where bro na ndi Ebubeagu na ndi umuoma ndi Ebubeagu na ndi ndị army na ndị DSS na ndị unknown gunmen na-akwacha mbọ. If they suffer defeat, they will now come back to the community. Gbawol on them mmadụ ọkụ in revenge n'iwe. You know, he werezi iwe gbawazi ụlọ ndị mmadụ ọkụ. So this is one of the deduced reasons. Some houses a na-agba ọkụ a na-epulukwe down their fences. For instance, ị ga na also for instance, ị ga-ahụ na some fences ụlọ ndị mmadụ agbara fence, agbacha ụlọ ọkụ akwa fence, agbacha ụlọ ọkụ akwa fence. So other reasons anyị nwetara from this documentation wụ ndị nọ n'Ebubeagu, some pointers, enwere ndị wụ pointers ya wụ ndị Igbo nọ n'Ebubeagu, because most of ndị Ebubeagu ndị ashi Rivers State bịa, most of them are not from here. So enwere pointers ndị Igbo ha kpọrọ latige n'onwe ha wụ ndị ma ndị ha ga-agba ụlọ ọkụ ma ndị ma ndị na-enye ha information. Let's put it that way. So ọ bụrụ na most of ndị a joinere ndị Ebubeagu ndị a bụ ndị Igbo, onwe ndị ha na family ha na-adịghị na mma, ndị ha na family ha na-aza ana, ndị ha na mpa ha kọrọ ọnụ, ndị ha na mma ha kọrọ ọnụ, ha atụwa ụlọ ha aka agba ya ọkụ. Just like that. These are one of the reasons, one of the deduced reasons I went against this documentation. Then ụfọdụ ndị gbara ụlọ ha ọkụ na eboro ha ebubo na ha gbara ụlọ some personalities ọkụ. Ụfọdụ ndị egburu na eboro ha ebubo na ha so gbaa ụlọ some personalities na Ọsụ, Oru East na Oru West ọkụ. You know, so these are the deduced reasons. So we are still carrying on with documentation. Maka ndị na-enwetebe ndị na-abịabe, ọ bụrụ na ị bụ onye ọlụ Ọsụ Ihite Ụkwa, onye Ụmụtanze, onye Okporo, onye Awa Ide Mmiri, ị bụ onye ọkaigwe, Ihubo ọkaigwe, Ọmụlọlọ, Akụ, Agwa, Izombe, Uguta, Akabọ, ịma ebe agbara ụlọ gị ọkụ, mana ndị Ebubeagu gburu onye gị, you still have the opportunity to come over for documentation, protect the Weak International Foundation. Non charity Hussein Charity 21 bread Ebada Ubomiri ebe aka anyị nọ from Tuesday to Thursday. Anyị na-emepe office for this documentation. After this documentation, we now package the visual documentation where everybody involved ga-enye anyị the video testimony and the video witnesses of ihe mereno. So I want to thank ndị pụtara apụta na-agwakwanụ ndị tụgo ụjọ, ụmụ ndị na-atụ ụjọ sị ha fụta n'ugbu a chụgharịwa ha. We are ensuring that nothing will happen to you because the international human rights organization is involved. Also protect the weak. International human rights organization is also involved. So let us make this place. Let's bring justice before we talk of peace. There must be justice before we talk of peace. Bomb 081 33 05 0089. Day one.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't hear them. No be smart, you know. As we dey talk am that time, say a lot of things they happen. Most of them say now waiting don't happen before. But even for the video where I post last time, some people come for comment section, come tell me say our house follow, our house follow. I tell them to reach out this our brother whether they call on sh0ck because now then they say about this particular issue. So I believe some of them do so. That is why he's getting this report to show you the reason why. Because these people know if you come outside say maybe one of their person they belong to waiting that they claim. Say no, they say that just they run past the community. Nobody say they enter the house. So because of anger, now they enter some villages, go carry set people. That one are set back, set people back. You know, pull people for street. So however, God passed them. We must get to the root of all these things will happen for inside Imo State. That is the main thing we did there. I want you to share this video for more updates. Share it so that other people go to follow up waiting they happen. And make sure they follow this channel for more updates. Shout out to sh0ck.